BJ, what is this? How did you...
I'm sorry I've been using you as a punching bag. It's not right. Thank you, Dr. Watson. Can you also bring us some sparkling?
Glad to see you and Dr. Watson getting along so well.
He really has helped. He's given me something else to focus on other than my anger and questions of why me.
BJ, maybe God was testing us with what he did to you. Maybe he's testing our faith in him and our faith in each other.
You really think so?
Maybe. I mean, you know, any test we face, we fucking ace. Especially now that my daddy has desecrated his relationship to Mama. We're the best couple in this whole fucking family.
I love you, Judy.